Hey guys, today is April the 17th of 2014. I want to go over the EURUSD, but this is a video disclaimer, so please pause it and read it. Pretty much summing it up, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my opinions and my thoughts. Looking at the charts, trend line, support line, and using different calculations, and just giving you my opinion, pretty much. So, with that being said, let's get into the charts. First thing we want to do is look at our Gann emblem geometry and manometry dates. And our manometry's been on fire. Let's see the 18th, if we could get all these lined up in green. Then we could give thumbs up to our manometry. But if not, we'll see. You got a pivot high here too, which is the 18th, 2 hits. You got 2 hits here, so I think the 18th is tomorrow, and then Saturday's the 19th, so there's a 2-day window, so that's not going to happen. The 11th was pretty good. Next date will be the 21st, so let's see how tomorrow's going to pan out. So that's that. Let's go into our Gann chart and see what we got here. As you can see, we got a nice pop. This 15 is still holding. So if that 15 is still holding, we probably might go higher. We might probably do, gap fill and fill the gap. And I'm thinking maybe we might hit like 38.97ish, somewhere around that little area right there. But we're gonna have to deal with this Andrews pitchfork angle, which is like that 38.70. If we could get above there, we probably might push there and I don't know, maybe stall. Once it gets there, that's when you're going to find out what's really going to happen. Are the bulls going to come in and, take this thing higher? Or, are they going to just kind of stall around here and then, sell? Or just go sideways and maybe just go sideways higher. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just speculating, but that's what I see. If we look at a Gann swing chart right here, you see that we are still pushing higher, and it's still to the upside. Nothing has changed in momentum, only this retracement, and you see that bulls came in. So let's see how that works out. We take that away. Price retracements. You're the 38.46. I don't know if it's above there or below. That's 75% from this swing. You got a good support at the 50, which is at 37.88. So that's good. If we do another swing, nothing really close by. Third swing, there's a cluster levels right here, which in the 38.43, 38.46. So we'll see where price is at now. While I'm recording this video and see if that's holding or not. I think I forgot to show that we had unemployment claims and it came at a 304, so very positive. Forecast was 316, so looking good on the unemployment claims in the USD. And I think that's it. It should probably be a quiet, tomorrow, but let's see how it all pans out. Tomorrow should be interesting. So let's see. So that's that. Let's hide all this. And if you haven't seen my videos, this is a big level you got to watch out right here. That 38.40. That's a big 50% level. So that's why we're chopping around here. We kind of go up a couple of days, go down. So we're kind of doing this little sine wave around this 50% level. But it's going to give or take. We're either going to go higher, we're going to continue going back and forth, or we're just going to, just going to swoop down, take that low, boom, take this low at 34.80, and then probably, and then you can see that maybe it might just continue going lower, or, or the same thing in reverse, higher. So we'll see how that's going to go. Let's see. Let's get this out. Let's get this Andrews out. Okay, so let's forecast a little bit. For those that think that the euro is going higher, this is going to be your target. your target should be 41.61. That's where the euro possibly would like to go. You see that it kind of found resistance at the 45%, which is at 38.92. 38, to be exact, 39.04. It pierced it right here, and then came down. If we could blow up through there, and then take this high off of take the high off 39.66, you're going to 41.61, or somewhere around here, and maybe stall. But doing the ABC pattern is 41.61. Now, if you're like, nah, we're not gonna go up there, man. You crazy? We're going down. And you know what? And this should probably be a target you should be keeping an eye on if you're a bear. If you're a bear, your target should be to the downside from this ABC structure, 36.09. But you need to take out that 15 low, pivot low at least. So you're kind of waiting for that. Once you take that 15 low, then I could probably see it going down, maybe all the way to the 27, 25th, because I got possible turn dates down there. I don't know if anything's gonna happen. I don't know. Who knows? Some crazy news could happen and things could get crazy, but that's that. I think that's it. Let's go into the big charts. You can see that you're above the 1x1, so that's good. Above the 20, 50, 100, 200. You're good. You're above, this is real time with 38.47. So you see that little area right there? What I've been telling you guys. 38.2 Fibonacci level, 38.32 right there. So it's strong. It's strong. It is strong. Let's go. Let's glance this chart. Don't get scared. I got a lot of stuff in here, but I know how to read it all. Let's see. So value area high is 38.89, and we're somewhere around here. I got these alerts just letting me know where, if it's gonna break or not. Actually, this is a weekly, so you can see on the weekly we're still in mobile band. It's in the green. We get closer, and there's a Fibonacci level there, or the 37.5, and you got value area high, and then you got Woody's R1 right there, which is at 38.98. So there's a few resistance up there. Let's go to the daily. You see, I know how to read this madness. So you got projection that price wants to go higher. This is Pearson's forecast. You're still in mobile, which is this green thing right here. See that green? That's mobile. That means chop. Once you get out of there, that means you're trending. You're trending. You're moving. And while you're here, we were trending here. See, and then we jumped down 1, 2, 3, 4 days in chop. Unless you're a good scalper, then this is your world. If you're a trender, then you gotta wait till your price gets out of this mobile band. This is on the daily. If you're short-term trader, short time frame trader, then these time frames don't help you. But I like kind of looking at the bigger picture of things. So that's where we at on that. And I got my alerts at 38.504. It gives me alerts, and I check the charts and look, and it's like, I don't know, I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it go long. It's still in the mobile. I'm just probably going to get chopped up and get disappointed. Let's look at the big picture so we can wrap it up and see what's going on. But if it's going to go higher, it's probably going to go to that 38.97-ish around there. And then, then we got to see what it's going to do. Once it gets up there, is it going to go higher? Is it going to chop? You got a new moon coming up on the 28, 29. You got a PPS buy signal, mobile band right here. You got the 37.5% level right here. So, I don't know. Negative, kind of pushing higher. Cycle looks like it wants to go higher. MMG above 50, so that's good. You got a tiny little yellow TTM wave. So this is kind of mixed, chop. There's some good positive, indicators, and then some negative ones. So the daily, You got positive TTM, mobile's positive. This is negative. This is kind of in the middle. This is just sideways chop in the squeeze play. So you know what? Just looking at this, it's just telling me that maybe the squeeze play and the pressure's to the upside. Just because you got 3 days and the bars are just getting higher. So the pressure wants to explode to the upside. So we'll see. Could it happen today? Could it happen tomorrow? You know, can it happen Sunday? I don't know. We'll see. Weekly, same thing. Looks like it wants to go higher. So, you know, maybe the bias is up, but we'll see. Hope this helps on your trading, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the euro.